consistent, purposeful, creative, notable character trait, prepared, most responsible, most punctual, most merits, most privileges garnered, young musician, young athlete, young bookworm, youngest scientist of the year, 4,000 Club, consistent honor, being first in social studies. Kayla Grace R. Legaga. Shall we give them another round of applause?